enjoying myself. The game has begun, and it's 0-0 obviously, but we're so lit for this. This is so nerve-wracking. Let's go, dog!
Scored by number 77, Zach.
Courier! Alright, everybody, let's watch the goal back.
Let's take a look at the replay of the first goal of the game. Presented by Epic.
First goal of the game. Let's go. We lit. Please tag yourself. Ryan is going very in for the Whip Snakes because he's repping them and then I'm repping the Water Dogs, so it works out well.
That's right.
If you guys can hear me, I'm talking into the microphone. These people need to move. They just showed up out of nowhere. We lit. You know what's not lit? The Water Dogs just scored, everybody. And is it lit? It's like, you know what's not lit? We're ready. It's lit now, everybody. They're gone.
Now it's lit.
I don't know this song. You know what we do know? Palmer. Guys, the Water Dogs are taking a timeout. I don't know why. Oh, I know why, because they're losing.
Like, I don't know why. Oh, wait, I know why.
We're so lit now. Oh, we're not. Oh my God, no. Remember when I said that it wasn't
After
lit?
timeout, Water Dogs possession.
Are you kidding me, bro? I called it. Did I not say that?
Like a mile away.
Right
Like
now.
a mile away.
Ryan, how are you feeling?
I still love the Water Dogs, but
Yes, listen, everybody. The Water Dogs are losing. They need a 2-point driller, so all they need is really one from the two, and they're back in this game. This is not going to be very long, and I'm going to put it together because it's the whole experience. Good thing. I mean, I'm disappointed I didn't vlog Baltimore because then it would just be the full package. But we got Albany. We're in Philly, and next week is DC, and that's for all the apples. I see the Whip Snakes winning this. Even going into this, I was like, I think the Whip Snakes are going to win it, but I'm rooting for the Water Dogs because the Whip Snakes, if the Whip Snakes move on, they have literally, they're going to win 3 in a row, the championship, and that's incredible. We'll see what happens. It's halftime. Dead, baby.
already. Let's go. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, but
Look at Zed's third goal of the day and second in a row. Presented by Wolf Athletics.
I love this song.
Oh, what a bounce. Oh, beautiful. What a bounce.
Y'all, the Whip Snakes are killing it.
Come on. Got boots and look at that.
Wow. Y'all, it is not looking good for the Dogs.
Oh, what a save! What a save! What a save! You see it? You see what a save? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
The Dogs are drowning.
Let's go. That's right.
The Water Dogs are drowning.
Snakes are choking them out. Let's go.
Yep. Take a shot every time this kid turns around.
Give me the.
Oh my God! That was iconic!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah! RJ is the man. Everyone's screaming for RJ. insanity. That was insanity. I wish I was filming that. It's getting down to the nitty gritty. That's all I have to say. You guys, we are at a concert, not a lacrosse game. A lot of dancing has been had.
Dancing, singing. It's great.
I think there's like 3 minutes. There's 2 minutes left.
Yeah, just like 2:45. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Looks like the Whip Snakes are going to
To the champ, that three-peat.
Dude, they're about to get a three-peat. This is insane.
That crown will be ours
Yeah.
once again. Yeah! Come on, let's go! Come on!
It's so frustrating for the dogs.
For the Whip Snakes.
Yeah, dogs are going home.
Who's pulling for the Whip?
So the game is over.
I was saying something about Panda Express and she's just like,
Yeah.
I'm like, can I get rid of
I
it?
know, I was laughing. He was talking about Panda Express.
Like, yeah, I get it. I'm a big boy, but geez.
Dude, look at these VIP
Those seats are clutch.
So
They're super
everyone,
nice.
this is Union. Nope, this is Subaru Park. I said this is Union Park. This is Subaru
This is where the
Park.
Philadelphia Union play.
This is where the Union play. Brian, how was the day? For you, it was a double.
I was a double dub for me. I feel like the adrenaline is making me feel super. Like I feel so. Like it's just like it's. I can't even talk. I'm just so happy and grateful that I'm here, hanging out, and doing. And who would have thought I would be even watching a lacrosse game, let alone enjoying?
I know.
You know what I mean? It's great.
You guys, a lot more of this video to come. Like I said, we will be in DC for the championship, so this is going to be a long video. I'm just going to put the whole summer together.
Hey, look!
I didn't get Baltimore.
Where's RJ?
Where's RJ?
Right down there. Directly right down.
Like in the stands here?
No, right up front. Oh, there.
I don't see RJ, everybody. Guys, my goal was to meet RJ, and I haven't met him yet, so
Maybe in DC we might be able to.
maybe DC. Even if not in DC, next year I'll meet him or something. But RJ's like the. Is this joking? But
Yeah, like
every
we're
time I'm
talking. Yeah.
every time I'm talking, bitch, I'm over it. Anyways, this video is so long. We will see you in DC. And thank you, Philadelphia. Thank you, Subaru Park. So far, Albany is still my favorite.
Albany's still number one,
That's
for sure.
still my
By
favorite
far.
time.
Albany,
We went to
I
Baltimore.
fully lost. I lost my voice in Albany.
Oh my
That
God.
day I couldn't. Like the next day was raspy. I was
was
screaming so much because the Cannons game was great. It was
Yeah,
stupid.
the Cannons game was great.
Like the Cannons game was great, but like I was like cheering, but not like for the Cannons. That I went crazy for the Cannons because Lyle Thompson's one of my other favorite players.
Yeah,
in the
Lyle
league.
Thompson, everybody. I love Ryan Drenner, and he plays for the Cannons too, so it was like a great. And every time, usually it's a doubleheader, and every time it's a doubleheader, we just pick a team to root for, and they always win. So everything went great. This is the first time I technically lost because I wanted the Water Dogs to go to the championship because they've never freaking been, and the Whip Snakes did it. So, all right.
See you in DC.
We will see you in DC. Here's one last look at the field. Go Whips.
And RJ, stop photoshopping those dog shots.
Guys, here's RJ in the flash. There's my dude RJ. We got Brad Smith in the house from the Whip Snakes out here signing some autographs. I'm wearing my Water Dogs jersey, so we were waiting for so long because, well, I just wanted the stadium to clear out, and then kind of when it calmed down, I have no idea what way we came in. We'll just go this way.
Yeah, no, I know.
Anyways, we were just waiting for the stadium to calm down so we could leave. And when we went down there, we saw Matt Rambo and some of the Whips like signing stuff. And I saw Zed, and Brian's wearing a Zed Williams jersey. And Brian loves Zed. That's his number one. So I was like, dude, like Zed had a Sharpie. I was like, go tell him to sign your jersey and try to get a picture. So we were waiting because there were so many kids near there. And literally he comes up and he's like, it's time to go, it's time to go. And everyone had to move out. But we were standing there for a long time.
pretty close, too.
But we were not even close. We just decided to go over to where he was and try to get a signature.
Like if we would have seen him,
we would have done it earlier because we were standing there for so long.
Yeah, like, and also we were kind of farther away, so if we would have seen like him and Rambo, like if we knew they were over there already, I would have already ran and like kind of slowly moved up. But again, didn't realize they were all there. So I'm like, oh.
Yeah, we didn't even realize. Anyway, we were just standing. We were standing near Brad Smith. That's where we were.
We saw him.
We were with Brad. He was the first person we saw, and then I kind of leaned over. I saw Matt Rambo, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go. Matt is my favorite player on the Whips, and Zed is Brian's. So I was like, oh my gosh, Zed's over there too. So we went over there, and we were too freaking late. But next week's a championship, so we're probably gonna send it and just wait anyway.
I'm literally gonna have another Whipsnake shirt with me. So what I can do is change, like before either during halftime or fourth quarter, change out of my jersey into the other Whipsnake shirt, and then I could potentially get him to sign it. If it works, it's great. If it doesn't work, I still love him anyway.
Yeah.
So we'll make it work. We'll see.
We'll just see what happens. I didn't expect that to just happen right now.
No, that was.
We weren't even waiting for them at all. We were just waiting for the stadium to cool down, and
we're getting closer and
super
closer.
Close. Yeah, we're getting
the
closer
last
and closer.
game I got a high five from Rabel. And
yeah, last week was lit. We got fist bumps from a lot of the players.
I got a whole high five from Rabel. I'll never forget that for the rest of my life.
Yeah, I don't know if that.
I have a video of him full high fiving me on my phone, and I watch it all the time. It's great.
Dude, it was amazing. We got to high five them while they were coming down. Oh, it is raining, by the way, so I'm gonna put my camera away. I babbled for a long time, but that was crazy. We just got close. Brad Smith has the best mustache
on the game.
That's it.
This is perfect mustache.
That's it.
Perfect mustache.
My camera's just dying now, which is perfect because we're done. And we will see you guys where?
DC.
DC. See you in DC. Are we in good view?
I guess.
It's like weird lighting, am I right?
Yeah, because it's the lights coming from here and not center from the camera.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. We are here. We're about to head off to DC. It's like 7 o'clock. I did not expect us to go this late, but...
I mean, how early were you trying to...
I thought by like 5.
Yo. You wanted to eat.
I know. I didn't really, because I was going to eat earlier, but I was with Genesis. Anyways, I was with my friend today. Guys, I had the opportunity to see Tina on Broadway. My uncle is in New York. Almost hooked me up. Don't even want to talk about why I couldn't go, but he did hook me up, and I physically myself couldn't be there. So I'm sad. That's it. That's all I wanted to say is today I had an opportunity. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to think about it, Brian. I already hear you in my brain. He knows. Everyone's so annoying. That's all I have to say. We are going to DC right now. That's the bottom line. We're going to the championship. It's starting. I had an amazing day in New York. Did you have a good day?
Today, I was at work. Today was a really productive day. Crazy as usual, but we got the job done.
Yeah, always. We got the job done. All right, we're going to the Declaration of Columbia, so we'll see you there.
Yup.
Hello. Where are we?
We are somewhere. Sheets. I don't know where.
They sell sheets here.
They sell sheets like
We're
a sheet
at
emporium.
Sheets in...
Where's like Jala Town?
I'll tell everybody.
Yeah, tell everyone.
I'll tell y'all.
Just give me a specific day. A specific place. Joppatown.
We're there. Anyways, we're at our first pit stop in Sheets. We're going straight to... Next stop is DC, baby.
Oh.
It is freaking 10... Okay.
You want to focus?
There we go. It's 10:55. We're going to DC. First pit stop. God bless. So we're here at the hotel. We got here 5 minutes ago. It's midnight. It's very nice. Comfortable temperature. Breakfast is early, but we have to be up early anyway. The game is at noon.
So she just said that the game is at noon. Probably not. I think it's at 11. This room is super nice, by the way. You guys got no chance. Boston. I'm really excited for tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put this in or not, but basically we filmed a little skit, but I didn't notice that I was in the background of Brian's part of the skit, and I'm watching it back and I'm in the background like, and I'm like, no, we're not using that. But Brian insists we use it, so if it's in,
that ghost though, just on the TV.
I will. I missed it. Guys, we're watching Ghost Adventures. Alright, last video for the night because there's gonna be so much content tomorrow. This video's gonna be 80 minutes long, warning you now. Okay, but in all seriousness, we are here. It's very late. It's a nice hotel here. I'll show you guys.
Hi MTV, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. Please show around the crib.
I got the crib. I got.
We didn't look in the bathroom yet. Let's pretend we did.
This is a very small bathroom.
Here's the shower.
The shower is like it's strangely large for some reason.
Oh yeah, that's what's up.
This is
Vent.
like it just looks small, but it's huge.
Here's the sink.
Oh hey!
What?
Love this brand. Human Kind. Hell yeah.
This is your favorite brand?
Stuff's really good. Cucumber
Wow,
melon.
This
Face
is the
soup.
toilet.
It's not bad. We got Keurig.
Oh shit! Who needs breakfast when we have a Keurig?
Oh, okay.
We got a fridge. I have water, so I'm gonna put that in there.
Then the bed.
The bed. Here's Brian's sleepy chamber, sleepy night night. There's my sleepy night night. Here's our TV.
There's a smart TV.
Is it a smart TV?
It's a smart TV.
If we can get to like Netflix or anything.
Oh, that's fine.
This is our chair. This is our cherry chair. I love cherries. This is our air purifier machine. This is the chair. I'm probably not going to sell it. No, I will. I'm going to make use of it. Do we have a balcony?
Balcony.
We don't have a balcony.
Balcony.
Dang, I wish I brought my light. I literally was like, I don't need it. Yes, I do, because it's very dark.
Oh, never mind. It's a what? Well, yeah, it's like.
All right, well, we had a balcony. They frickin' cut it off, so how dare you guys.
How dare you.
So that's our room. We're gonna hang out, and we'll see you in the morning
In the morning.
for the championship.
Can't fucking wait.
One love.